If Steam is giving you error code E84, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error is usually a login failure, and it's often caused by a conflict with Steam's login interface or sometimes an IP-related issue. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and one of them usually gets Steam working again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming help. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to completely force close Steam. This is important because if Steam is stuck in the background, the error can keep coming back even after you try to relaunch it. To do that, right-click the Start menu and open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab and look for Steam in the list. When you find it, right-click Steam and select End Task. If there are any Steam-related processes still running, make sure those are closed too. The goal here is to fully shut down Steam before we try the next fix. Now that Steam is closed, the next step is to use a special launch parameter called Noreactlogin. This can help if the issue is being caused by Steam's newer React-based login screen. To do this, right-click your Steam desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, find the target field. You'll see the path that Steam uses to launch. Click at the very end of that text, then add one space and type -Noreactlogin. So the last part should look like this. -Noreactlogin. After that, click Apply, then click OK. Now launch Steam using that shortcut and see if you're able to sign in normally. In many cases, this simple parameter is enough to bypass the login issue and get Steam working again. If Steam error code E84 still appears, the next thing you should try is resetting your password. This may sound unrelated, but a password reset can refresh your account's security handshake and clear up authentication problems. To do this, go to the Steam login help page. From there, follow the prompts and choose the option to change your password. Complete the reset process carefully, then sign back into Steam using the new password. After the reset, Steam may authenticate your account properly and the error may disappear. If you're still having trouble after that, double check that Steam is fully closed before each retry and make sure you type the launch parameter correctly with the space in front of it. Small mistakes in the shortcut target field can prevent the fix from working. Also, if you're using any VPN, proxy, or unusual network setup, try temporarily disabling it, because login errors can sometimes be tied to your IP connection. So to recap, the main fixes for Steam error code E84 are force closing Steam, adding the -Noreactlogin launch parameter, and resetting your Steam password if needed. One of these steps usually resolves the issue quickly and gets you back into your account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.